guys, I'm here to tell you how I put in my contact lenses. At first, I make sure all my makeup is off, not wearing any makeup, so you've got a nice clean palette you're working with. I also like to tie my hair back like so there's no wisps of hair getting in the way. Oh, and also make sure you wash your hands and your hands are nice and clean, because you won't want dirty hands touching your lenses and then your eyeball, because that is not so great. So if you have a super cute dog, do not cuddle your dog during this process. Literally resist for 1 minute. You hear that, Pickles? No cuddles. No cuddles. Right, so let's get our lenses in. So today and every day, I use these every day. Every day I use my Waldo lenses. If you can see, I use these babies, and I actually use the vitamin ones because I travel a lot and I get super dry eyes. These are so great when you have dry eyes. The saline is pink because it's enriched with vitamins, 3 different types of vitamins to provide that extra moisture throughout the day, which I definitely need, and it's pink, so I think that, you know, that's enough to sell me already. See, pink, how cute. So this is how I put my lenses in. So my contact lens is here, and I pinch my contact lens out with between my 2 fingers, and then with my dry, clean finger, I place the contact lens there. So it's on the center of it's on my finger, and make sure it's not inside out. You can find guides online to tell how you know if it's inside out or not. So just make sure it's not. It's currently my left finger, but I'm right-handed, so I always put it in with my right hand, my right finger. I dry my finger on the wrist because I was holding the contact lens earlier, and I just sweep it across like so. Here's how you put it in your eye. I used to be really freaked out about putting lenses in my eye. I had a phobia of touching my eye, and I remember the first time I went to an optician, he taught me, and he got so frustrated that I took so long because I probably nearly cried 10 times trying to put it in. So here you go. I look up and I think of puppies. Great. So if you saw, I pulled my eye down a bit, looked up, and tried to make my eyes really big. Do it in front of a mirror if you're not comfortable. You know, I've been wearing contact lenses for years and I still like to do it in front of a mirror. Second one, same again, pinch, and then unwrap on this finger, dry, pop it on here. Oh, make sure it's, yeah, there we go. Look up. So a trick an optician taught me a while ago, if they're feeling like they're not that comfortable in there, or there's like an air bubble caught or anything that feels not perfect, close your eyes, look left, right, up, down, left, right, and they should feel perfect. Also make sure your prescription is correct. If you don't have a valid contact lens prescription, go see your optician. I don't know why you'd be ordering contact lenses if you don't have a valid prescription, but make sure you see your optician before so you know your prescription is correct. Mine is a -2. If you're a -2. So I hope that helped you guys if anyone's having trouble putting in contact lenses, and if you already know how to put in contact lenses, then I don't know why you've watched this far. Thanks guys. Time for cuddles! Yay!